Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be planning a rewind plan for January 14th to the 20th. And this was meant to go up so long ago, but my last upload, it took me like a month to edit because I just kept having issues with everything and anything involved with that recording. So I apologize for it being April and you're now getting a rewind for January. But then again, you know, maybe you've forgotten what happened. So so what I'm doing is a rewind plan with me in my Print Pressions B6 TN, and I'm just gonna open it up. I have yet to do any dashboards in here, but I have a nice selection which I need to print out and do. So I'm just gonna pop my Jesenia Printables insert out. Here we go. And that's what these inserts look like. I'll just get to, oh, that's the correct one anyways. So there we go. And the kit I am using is from Planning Choco, and I have forgotten the name, but I will have it in the title. So you will know it when you're watching this. So we have full boxes, some quarter boxes, a few more full boxes, the alternatives. Excuse me, then you got some deco. Then you got the ombre heart checklist with some more quarter boxes. And we got some really lovely washi. And we've got headers and littles. Oh, let's flip that around. Excuse me. And then we have half boxes, the weekly ombre checklists with some appointment labels. Then we also have date covers with glitter headers, date dots, some flags. And we've got habit trackers, bill of dues, hydrates, flags, deco, and work labels. And we've got massive double boxes, which I won't be using these because I'm not a fan of them. And then I also have some mini washies at the bottom, you can see. And we've also got some functional phrases with some glitter boxes and flags and some more icons. And that is the whole kit. So as I said, I am doing a rewind plan for me. Rewind plan with me, my gosh, it's been so long, in this TN. And as it's January plan, it's going to be with the winter scene. So what I'm going to do now is put down the full boxes with the date covers and the glitter headers, as well as the washi, because I've got 1 hour to get this done. Otherwise I'm doing it tomorrow, as well as editing it. So hopefully I'll have it up by Sunday. So that's what I'm going to do, and I will be right back. Okay, I am back, and this is what that looks like so far. I really love the pale blues with the pinks. And oh shoot, I just realized this is going down just ever so slightly, but oh well. Oh, whoopsie doodle, it's okay. So yeah, I had to put the washi down individually because these are actually two separate pieces, which is really great if you've got a smaller planner. So that was okay for me. Well, let's just start with Monday. So first thing, typical day, was the work week. So I'm just going to put down my flags, and actually let me work on my skeleton now that I think about it, because apparently I can't think correctly on most days. So I'm just going to put down work. That was Monday. And then I also worked on Tuesday. And for those who don't know, my skeleton is what I call my skeleton are my base days, things that happen every single time without fail, like work, and for instance, my daughter's dance class, which is on the Saturdays. For now, I'm just working on, I'm just going to put down my work, which will be, put that right there. And then my daughter also had her dance, if I remember correctly. Yes, she did. And put these down, which was Wednesday at this point. Wednesday and a Saturday. There we go. So that's what that looks like. So now I can actually work on my Monday. And let me just zoom you in a little bit. Just that much. Yeah, that should be fine. So on Monday, I had to work. And then I also had to bring up the school to cancel an issue, something that was signed up without my consent. So I had to go cancel that. And that was done, so that's fantastic. And then I also got paid from Etsy Pay. So do I put one of these down? Yeah, I'll just put one of these down, I think. I'll put that there. And then we also had a recording in the evening, which I will put down as a big one, which I really love these colors. Put a big one down for that. There we go. And that's Monday, because Monday was a chill day. These are pretty easier days. Tuesday, so we had work. And then I also had another payday, which was, I'll just put this pink one down, which was some links that I get paid for, which I'll put that at the top as well. I'll put at the bottom, excuse me. And then I had to do, on this day, I had to book something for my daughter. And I'll put that right here. I'll just put an icon. I had to book something for her party, which even though that was mid-January, her party was February. It's about doing things in advance. And on this day, I believe, I think the garbage went back to normal on this day, so I'm gonna put down, that doesn't seem like anything that's worthwhile putting down, but I do think I need it. So I'm gonna put down a sticker for that. All right, for the rubbish going back to normal, that was important because that'll remind me about it next year. Put that here. And then over here, I'm gonna put, oh, Mr. P was out for the evening, so I'm gonna put down one of these, which is a sticker from Ramona and Friends, and that is a standalone website at the moment. And even though I got these from Etsy, I can no longer download them. Something wrong with that, which is really bothering me. So I'll have to rebuy them, so that sucks major balls. Okay, so there's that and that. Oh, maybe I want to put a sticker down for that immediately. Actually, this deco works perfectly because that looks like that could be music or a podcast. So I'm gonna put that down right there. Oh, but with my murder sticker, I like that. And that's just our logo because we are a true crime podcast, and that's Murder on Our Minds. So that's that one. That would, and out okay. And then on Wednesday, this is where it gets a bit bigger. I went to the gym, and for that I will use this sticker here, and that's from my shop. And I just realized I didn't tell you where that sticker is from. And that is from ToffeeBananas. And these are all her pastel doodle samplers. So for this, I'll do the gym, and I'll use these ones. Sticker, put it at the top. And actually, I believe I went on Thursday, so I might as well put that there while I'm there. Thursday. Okay. And I had to go to the bank because they took my card and hadn't mailed it out yet, and it was so freaking late, and it was pissing me off. And then I also had some orders to do. Okay, and for that, I'm going to use these here, which are the order trackers from Crafty Rat Designs, and I'm going to do this one here, I think. right there. Whoops. Let me see, anything else I need for that? That's fine, I'll just put that down there. Oh, yes, I can put that down there, that's fine. And then on Thursday, so we've got the gym, and I've got more orders, so I'll put that down. Different style that I normally do. Is quite blank, isn't it? Really focuses on the icons, I think. I also needed to do some podcast research. Let me see what I got. And so I just found it. For these ones, for the really shitty dinner, I'm going to use this icon. And this is from WilaWalaCo. And you can see, oops, there we go. As you can see, she's like, oh. And that's exactly how we felt. It took a lot of work and it did not work out well. And I am really good at it. I just felt like the recipe was definitely missing something. And then on Friday, I had work, which is down. I had more podcast research. Thankfully, I have another mini that I can use, which I really love using my minis. You'll see how perfectly it works for 3 areas. I just love that. And actually, if you didn't know, you can now get minis, which are just tiny bit bigger. They're like that much bit bigger, which is perfect for your monthlies and whatever. You can get them now from the shop. And I'm slowly rolling them in, and I've got about 4 or 5 that have them already. So that was more podcast research. And then something else that happened. Mr. P and I got into another bloody fight. So for this, I'm going to use another WilaWalaCo, which I've been fucking loving. And these are, see this shoe? It's going right up your ass, which was exactly how I felt for real. So I'm going to put that, I think I'm going to use a full box. Actually, if I can find my full boxes. Oh, here we go. I'm going to, because it was a pretty breezy day. Other than that, I'm going to use a nice pink one. Oops. Sorry, I'm just picking that off there. I'm going to put it right in the middle. Put that like right there. Yeah, it's fine. And then on Saturday, I had to do, we have dance. It says my friend came over, but I don't remember if she did. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay. I remember what happened. This is the day we had the massive podcast recording marathon. So, okay. So we had dance, and then she came in the afternoon, which I'll put this one down. And I put that right there. And it was set, it was wow, we went a long time before we had to record again. So that was dance, and then she came down in her gal. Let's see, what can I use for that? I'm gonna use my podcast icons for that. Let me go and find that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this right here, kind of like towards the top, and then over that, I'm putting that, which one do I want? I think I'm gonna put this one here. Right there, because we used our laptop to record a lot. Actually, I'm gonna move this up. Oh, just right about there. Oh. Yeah, that's fine. And then I'm gonna put just here. Oh, maybe I should put that on that side. Oh no, I should actually. Oh no. Shoot, okay, let's put a new one down. That's there, and then I'll just put this, no, right on top. Actually, I need to put the other one on top of that because that one is looking like shit. There we go. That's all right. All right, and then right here, I'm gonna put a coffee. Do you want coffee and donut? Maybe I'll put this one down. No, I'll use this one here. And this is also from ToffeeBananas. We went for coffee and lunch in the meantime. And then afterwards, oh my gosh, we did not finish till like 3 o'clock in the morning recording all of that. And it was hell, and we were super exhausted. And we started at like, what time was it? It must have been about 4:34, something like that. It was pretty much immediately after we came back from lunch, and it was, yeah, 12 hours basically. And so for right here, I'm going to use this one here, bedtime. I'm going to use a smaller one for that sleep. And then we did not sleep in the next day. We actually woke up, I think it was like 6 o'clock anyways. She had to head off really quickly in the morning. So that was that. Was that day? I feel like that was the day we did it. Yeah, I'm gonna say it was. And then Sunday, yeah, that's definitely the day. And then Sunday, so she left early. Ooh. All right, so she left early, and I'm just gonna use that, the boat to put that down. And then we went out, with my kids for them to go and play. And I'm gonna put this cup down. Perfect. And then we did some groceries, which I'm going to grab. All right, and this is what I'm gonna put down, my grocery shop. This is actually a glitch, which is why that's at the top there. I'm not certain why it's a glitch. Maybe I grabbed the wrong one. But I'll just put that there because we went for grocery. And then on that day, I also did, apparently I did a taping. I don't know if that ever went out. I did find one that didn't even go up, and it was so bloody old. I was like, no! So I didn't put it up anyway. And that's okay. Put that down. All right, I'm just gonna zoom you out. And that is what that looks like so far. So I'm just gonna write everything. I'm using this pen here, and this is Emoji with a click top, and it's 0.5, which I really love. Let me see if we can zoom on that. There we go. I'm just gonna use that, and I will be right back. All right, and that is everything. While I went to go write, I realized I forgot to put these stickers down, as well as this one here. I'm just gonna show you what that looks like. So this is from the Work in the Black colorway, and that's from my shop. And these are actually discontinued stickers from my shop as well. And for the ballerina girl, ballerina penguin, that is the ballerina penny, and that is currently still available from my shop. So that is everything, and I'm going to just pop that into my planner now. And that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, if you could give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. And I will see you next time, probably with another rewind, because I have so much to do. And this is just so easy. Okay, thank you. Bye.